In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your network settings by setting up a metered connection on your Windows device. This handy trick can help you control data usage, especially if you're tethering connections or have a limited data plan. First, you need to access your Windows settings. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen and then selecting the gear icon, which will bring you to the Settings menu. This is where all your system's customization options are, so once you get the hang of it, you'll find that you have a lot of control over your system's operation. Once you're in the Windows Settings menu, you will see a variety of options. For this particular task, you'll want to focus on the Network and Internet section. Clicking on it will open a new window with all the settings related to your internet connection. This section is especially useful if you're looking to delve into different networking options such as Wi-Fi, VPN, and Ethernet settings. It's a comprehensive hub for anything related to your internet connection. After you've clicked on Network and Internet, you're going to look for the option that says Properties. This is typically located alongside the network that you are currently connected to, whether it's your home Wi-Fi, a mobile hotspot, or any other connection. By clicking on Properties, you'll be taken to a detailed view of the characteristics of your current network connection. This window is great because it provides all the nitty-gritty details about your network, like the IP address, connection type, and bandwidth usage. Now to the meat of the task, scroll down through the Properties list until you find the section labeled Metered Connection. What you're aiming to do here is toggle the switch to the on position. By turning on the metered connection, you're instructing your Windows device to treat this particular connection as monitored, which means it will limit the background data usage. This is incredibly helpful in situations where you want to prevent Windows from automatically downloading and installing updates or consuming data without your active knowledge. Once you've done that, you'll see the toggle switch light up to indicate that the metered connection setting is enabled. Congratulations, you've successfully set up a metered connection. You can now exit the Settings menu, knowing that your computer will be more frugal about its data consumption over this network. This adjustment is especially beneficial for those with limited internet plans or when you're using your mobile phone as a hotspot and need to conserve data. Feel free to revisit these settings anytime you want to toggle the metered status on or off, depending on your current internet situation.